What is this? ये खोलने तो पड़ेगा यार, तेरे को पता चलेगा मुझे यार.
It starts from G. And it's a very weird name, like for you.
Do you know what this is?
You know what? I saw it on Euphoria. Like Sydney uses it in the morning at 4 o'clock.
जरूरी है beauty.
UPSC का एग्जाम चल रहा है.
Hi guys, I'm Ramsha from SSBeauty and I'm going to be your host for this video. As you know, the biggest beauty sale of the year, Showstoppers, is going on right now and we have decided to make it a little more exciting. So we are going around asking people a couple of beauty questions and if they get them right, they're going to get their hands on this gift card worth 500 rupees. So let's go. Hi guys. Hi. Kashish.
What's up? Hello.
Very interesting group. So, are you ready to answer these questions?
Yes, there's nothing wrong in trying.
Okay, let's start with an easy one. First question. What do you think this is?
I am not really sure. Not really sure. Yeah.
What do you think it looks like?
Some kind of big mascara.
Oh, you got it right. It's a mascara.
मैं वैसे ही स्पिट्सला करके आया हूँ तो मैं भी कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा इसके बारे में. तो इसको पास करते हैं.
Is it a mascara?
Yeah, because you read it. I shouldn't have given it to you.
I did. I tried my best to act, but okay, I think I read it over here, guys.
This is a mascara. In my
How does everybody know that? Because I didn't get that the first time. You guys are geniuses.
Eyeliner.
Okay, it's incorrect. So you lose a point.
Is it a mascara?
How do you know this? How do you know this?
Random guess, I guess.
I feel it's a mascara.
You feel it's a mascara?
Yeah.
Then you feel right because it is in fact a mascara. Another question. What do you think this is?
आज मुझे चला पता कि मैं क्यों सिंगल हूँ. मुझे पता ही नहीं ये चीज़ें क्या है. इसको कुछ फेस पे कुछ आई थिंक इवेंट करने के लिए एंड देन चिजल्ड फेस के लिए ऐसा कुछ करते हैं ना.
Yeah. He's correct. He's correct.
This is contest loose.
I just don't know what it's called, but I know something like this is done. It's to like enhance your cheekbones, I feel.
Yeah. It's a gua sha to give your face a lymphatic massage.
Sculptor? That's a heart-shaped stone.
Is it something you rub on your jawline or something?
Rub on your jawline for what?
To get it toned?
You know what? You got it correct.
G से start होता है यार. I can't even cheat. The camera is here.
You lost it. It's called a gua sha. What do you think this is?
I don't know the name exactly, but you do it with your eyelashes, I guess.
Eyelashes?
Yeah.
Okay, he's a trained man.
Definitely. It's not a Caesar, it's a eyelash curler, guys. For all the boys, it's eyelash curler.
This is eyelash. Okay.
Eyelash curler.
Yes. Which is the biggest beauty sale of the year? And I'll give you options. First is the $1 million sale. Second, Showstoppers sale. And the third is Red Hot sale.
Definitely the showstopper sale.
What sale is going on here? I guess showstopper sale?
I think, yeah.
Showstopper.
Yeah.
That is correct. Yeah, you got that correct. What is this?
I have this also, but
You have it and you don't know what it's called.
Face roller.
Face roller.
okay, I have seen this many times in makeup skincare videos.
But like,
I said.
but it's rose quartz or like jade. You got a different shade.
I guess it's a roller. Is it a jade roller or something?
Close. Okay, it's called a rose quartz face roller. But we're gonna give her the point. What do you think this is?
To smudge the foundation.
But what is it called?
This is like a blender.
Beauty blender.
You can't cheat. Oh my God! How does he know all these answers? But I
Thank
think.
you to my girlfriend, I guess.
Oh, so cute. Okay, but I'm gonna give you that point. Here is your gift voucher worth 500 rupees.
Oh wow.
And since
Yeah.
is your gift voucher. And Showstoppers sale भी चल रही है तो आपको extra discount मिलेगा. Here's your 500 rupee voucher. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We had a lot of fun distributing these gift vouchers. So don't forget to shop from the Showstoppers sale and restock on all your beauty favorites. In the meanwhile, subscribe to the SS Beauty YouTube channel and leave a like on this video. Bye!